Hey guys, today I'll be reviewing the Geenie smart doorbell I just got from Walmart. We picked it up for $40 and we obviously did a kind of bad job about mounting it, but still, it's good. So it's from Mercury. We didn't want to buy the ring doorbells because those costed like $199. So usually if I was like a delivery man and I came over here, then I press the doorbell, you hear a chime. You'll hear it, it's very faint. You hear it? Okay. But if I was inside though, like right now, let me just open the door. Come on, pick up. So if someone will link their phone to this thing, they will receive notifications of motion and and they will receive a call saying that someone has pressed the doorbell. So I'm going to show you, demonstrate it. Some houses have these doorbells. This is the smart doorbell. It's supposed to work with these, but this is the garage close / open. So press this. It's just for the garage now, anyway. So, and here where the doorbell is. And then if we press this, you'll hear the chime. And the doorbell we used to have was an old one from Schleg or something. No, this is the box that it was in. We put the old doorbell. This is the old doorbell. You'd have the connectors. Could be the positive terminal. This would be the negative. Or it would be backwards, positive, negative, negative, positive. And it would do, when you press this thing, it'll send the signal to the chime box, which the chime box is right up there. That's the chime box. Forget that one. That is the siren. So yeah. Anyway, so yeah. This doorbell needs 16 to 24 volts AC. It doesn't need a hub. Use the Geenie app. It's smart. It also works with Google Assistant, but I haven't linked that with that yet. So, well, that's a good one. And yeah, that's it right now. And here in the box, you got an instruction manual. It says, do not return product to the store. And you have this transformer you put in the chime box, but we just ignore this and then forgot about it. But it still works great. But, oh, bye guys.